Say hello to your friends. I look very cute in this lighting. If I do say so myself. So this is what it looks like.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
Today,
and we
all
just
of
sing
it is
along.
food is prep.
And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Hey guys, long time no see. It is wow. This shows how long since I've taken the camera up. I can't even speak English anymore. However, this is also too bright. I don't know what I'm doing no more. But it's been a while since I have vlogged. I had a bunch of pre-vlogged footage that I needed to like really focus on and edit and get out for you guys, and right now I am mostly or all caught up on that, so running out of content. So I decided I am going to vlog today. To be honest, the time is, let's check, the time is 2 p.m. so the day is basically almost done. It is a Saturday, and while I do not have much going on today, I do have a few things to do, so I decided I'm going to vlog, take you guys along for a day in my life. So I hope you enjoy it. If you are new, hello, my name is Natay. I do mom content over here, homemaking as well. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, of course, feel free to subscribe and join the fam. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Anyway, we are going to head out on the road to the thrift store. I am on the hunt for a high chair with a footrest for Aiden, because to be honest, like based on my research, we're about to start solids like baby led weaning officially. We have been doing some purees here and there, but officially like finger foods we're going to head into, since he just turned he just turned 6 months. And we currently have the IKEA high chair, but unfortunately I am unable to get the footrest for it. It's either way too expensive because it's not really readily available in Japan, or it is going to take forever to come here. And so I'm on the hunt for a cheap high chair with a footrest here in Japan. There are tons of them on Amazon Japan, but to be honest, they cost an arm and a leg, and financially it is not in our budget right now. But I know that hard off I would probably be able to get it for very, very cheap if there's any there. So that is where I am heading to. Aiden just woke up from his second nap of the day, so Adam is going to watch him for his 2-hour wake window, put him down for his next nap, and then hopefully by the time he gets up from that nap, I am back in the house so I can breastfeed him. And then also I want to run to the supermarket to pick up some baby led weaning groceries. So I'll be doing a baby led weaning grocery haul at some point in today's video. Going to buy a few stuff so that I can start preparing Aiden's food, because on a day like today, the purees that we've bought from the store, we're out, and then we have no other prepared food. So you find that he is actually skipping solids today. And even though that's, you know, that's not a bad thing because he's only 6 months and he's just starting, I think he's kind of used to it, because at the time when I usually give him solids, he was, you know, a bit fussy, I guess, because he's missing that aspect of his day. So I want to get on track with that. So I am going to head out right now to Hard Off, and then we're going to go to the grocery store. Then we're going to do baby led weaning grocery haul in this video. That is really going to be what's happening today. I am expecting a call from my credit card company because we need to pay that bill, and I am going to head out. Oh, also surprise, I cut my hair. I can, well, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know of this news, but I think this is the first video I'm filming with my hair like this. So if you're not following me on Instagram, first of all, please go and follow me. Aiden is looking at me and asking himself like, what the hell is this woman doing right now? But if you're not yet following me on Instagram, my handle is right here on your screen. Follow me over there so you can be kept up to date with everything that's going on. But if this is news to you, surprise, I cut my hair off, and you know what, it was just time that I step it up a whole notch in the self-confidence area. I have struggled with hair loss, and that came with low self-esteem and all of that, and I was over it. I am an adult, I have a son, I gotta teach my son self-confidence. So I'm like, I gotta show up for him as a confident person in order to teach him self-confidence. You know, I cannot be like, I need to set high expectations of myself before I can expect it of him. What? So I decided, fresh start, the hair is gone, and actually I could never feel more free not having the baggage of, oh my god, my hair looks a mess, blah 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 blah. Anyway, I'm going to hop on the bicycle. I look very cute in this lighting, if I do say so myself. You guys, I'm feeling myself, but you know, I'm gonna hop on the bicycle, ride my butt to hard off. It's going to take me at least 30 minutes, and I'll come back and, you know, I'll show you guys what the Japanese thrift store has to offer. But first, let us say hi to Aiden. Hi, Aiden. Hi. Hi, yeah. Say hello to your friends. Say hello, guys. Welcome back to Mommy's channel. Nothing? Look. You just want to touch my lens, right? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Let's go. Okay guys, I just got to hard off. That was a heck of a ride. Can you tell I'm out of breath? I am so unfit. It's been so long since I've rode my bicycle. Like, maybe when I was about 7 months pregnant was when I stopped riding the bicycle, because not because I couldn't ride it, but because it was taking more effort than I wanted to be taking to ride a bicycle, because my stomach was obviously big and pushing out and stuff. So it's been a while since I've rode this far. I guess it's about like maybe 20-25 minutes to ride here. But we just got to the store. I'm going to get a water from the vending machine because I'm thirsty as heck. That took so much out of me. And then we'll go looking what they have inside there. Guys, I am back home and I don't know what I was thinking that I could vlog all of what I told you in the beginning of this video starting at like 2 p.m. because it is not going to happen today. So update, I did not get any high chairs at the second-hand store. As you would have seen, they had just a flimsy looking one, but like in my head I was saying, since I'm on the road, might as well check the baby store that is close by to my apartment just to see if they would have any that is, you know, cheaper than what I'll see on Amazon. And if I came straight home without checking, it would have been seriously bugging me, and I would not, like, my brain would not let me stop thinking about it until I actually went. So I went, and as you would have seen in the clips, I saw the high chairs, kind of what I was looking for. The only thing is, based on how it looks in person, I don't know, it seems as if Aiden would be like too short. Like the part where he's supposed to eat is not at elbow length, so I'm not sure he would be able to like fit comfortably in it. So the plan is to go back tomorrow with Aiden and just test him out sitting in there and see how he fits. But you know, as a mom, you cannot go anywhere and not bring back something for the baby. So I did get 2 toys for him. I got this I guess it's a bath toy. It has like holes under the bottom so he can play with it when he is in the bath, because he is at that stage now where he actually wants to sit up in the bath as opposed to, you know, lie down in the bath net and whatnot. He wants to be splashing and all of that. And a friend of mine did tell me to be careful of the bath toys that I buy, so I'm just going to pass on this information to any new mom that is watching this video, that it is better to get toys that drain the water right out of the toys. Like this one, you know, the water goes through and then it comes right through, instead of buying like rubber duckies that has like the hole under the bottom where bath water can get stuck. And you know, because it's in the bath, babies are continuously playing with them, and it's like old bath water on top of old bath water, and it can cause infection or illness or whatever. So just be careful of like the bath toys that you're buying. The ones that drain completely are, I guess, better bath toys to have, and he's going to have a good time with this. And then I also bought a set of stacking cups, as you would have seen in the clips. I already set it up actually. Let me just turn the camera and show you guys. So this is what it looks like set up. And it also comes with like holes under the bottom, so he can actually play with these in the bath as well. So he's going to have a good time tonight during bath time. Aiden, he's right here. He just woke up from his nap, and he had his feeding, and now he's just playing a bit before we start dinner time. Yeah, he loves remotes right now. I see I gave him the toy and he's not into the toy. He's like into the remote, as you can see. Nanny. But yeah, dinner time is in the next maybe 15 or 20 minutes here, and then we're going to head into like digesting all of that. Then we head into bath time. I have not gone grocery shopping for his, you know, baby-led weaning stuff. I will go though once he gets to bed, because tonight is going to be an early bedtime. Your bedtime is 6 p.m. today. You want to talk? Huh? Say hi, mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Mommy's vlogging. You have anything to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say, honey? Say, I love you. Yeah. I think that's a cry, guys. I don't think that's talking. Hi guys, it is the next day. Like I promised, we are continuing the vlog, and today we are prepping baby food, as I was telling you yesterday that I was going to do. Yes, I'm a Jamaican and I say things like yesterday. Yesterday, that's what I want to say. So let me give you a quick run through, because I feel as if this portion of the video is going to take up a lot of time and I don't want to have you sitting and watching a video forever. So let me just quickly run through everything that we have, like the baby food grocery haul, and show you what I'm going to be doing, tell you what I'm going to be doing, like prepping wise and stuff, and then we can start. If you are a new mom and you're just starting on your solids journey as well, like, I hope I can help you get some ideas or whatever, because to be honest, it's actually other people's videos that I have watched to come up with this. Also have even printed out free downloadables from another channel that I watch with mom life stuff. The name of the channel is Health Not Nutrition. Absolutely love Nicole. So she, like, her baby food recipes is really where I got all of this idea from. So I'm not going to like copyright her stuff and link them in the description, but I am however going to link her channel in the description. But I did buy some strawberries because I want to film a separate video, like a full week of baby led weaning with Aiden, and strawberries was one of those foods. So I did pick up some of this. We have some ground chicken here, we have broccoli, we have spinach, and this is going to be a greens mix. And then we have some carrots over here, some sweet potatoes, we have some chopped bell peppers. Yeah, that's better. Chopped bell peppers, and we have some frozen mango. We also have some rolled oats, which I am going to turn into oat flour so that we can make oatmeal. And then over here we have some apples that I'm going to use to make some applesauce. And then we have banana that I can blend and mix with oatmeal and stuff like that for different meals. And these are the printables that I got from Nicole's channel, and it really just gives you a recipe to create all of the things. So we have cinnamon applesauce. We're going to be doing broccoli and peas mash. So this is a greens mash. I didn't get any peas, but I did get spinach. So instead of peas, I'm going to be doing spinach here. We got steamed chicken thighs in bone broth. Oh, I didn't show you the rest of the chicken. So this is some chicken thighs, and oat and barley cereal. I don't have barley, so I'm just going to be doing oat only. And then we have roasted sweet potato and steamed roasted carrots. And this is her baby food meal prep guide for 6 to 8 months, and it really just lists all of the ingredients that you're seeing all over my house right now. So as I said, I'm going to link her channel down in the description box below.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes. Aiden woke up a little bit, so I'm trying to see if he will reset it for his nap. But we got the apples on the stove cooking, and now Adam is working on the broccoli and spinach. We're going to steam those, and then we're going to puree them. I'm going to try to see if I have any breast milk that I can use to help blend it up, because really and truly I would rather use breast milk over water. I could use formula. I have a bunch of formula here, but Aiden does not take formula regularly, and I have tried to mix formula in other things and he refuses to eat it. So I'm like, if I am going to spend so much time and effort preparing baby food, if I mix it with formula, chances are he's not going to eat it. So I am not going to take that chance, at least not today. So I'm going to try to see if I can find any spare frozen breast milk there that I could possibly use, and then we carry on.
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Adam is behind the camera. Next food we're preparing is some, the recipe is mango lime puree. I honestly thought I had lemon, but turns out I don't. So this is just going to be like a mango sorbet kind of. So I just have frozen mangoes like I showed you before, and I'm going to use the handheld blender to like blend it all together.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Guys, I am almost done. I'm going to do this bit of, just this last bit of puree, and then I'm going to get Aiden started on dinner and then bedtime routine, and then get back to all of this later because I'm doing all of the food prep tonight, even if it takes me until midnight. Guys, I actually did not plan on giving Aiden any of this food today, but since he's awake and it's dinner time, instead of giving him the store-bought one, I'm going to serve some of what we made today for his dinner. And I'm going to just like let the camera record how he feels about all of this stuff. So let me show you what I am going to be giving him. He's having a grand time down there on the mat. Yeah, so much energy, huh? But this is what we are going to be giving him tonight. So we have some broccoli, some greens puree. So this is broccoli and spinach. We have a stick of carrot, and then we have the mango puree over here. For dessert, I actually don't think he'll eat all of this, so I probably will take some of this out. But based on the research that I've done, they say you should offer all foods together. So do not like offer vegetable and then offer like ice cream or whatever dessert fruits afterwards. Like they say, put everything on baby's plate and baby will eat around it. That way they have less chance to become picky eaters. I don't know, I'm just following what the hell the research and the experts say, with hopes that Aiden does not become a picky eater, because Lord knows I cannot deal with that. So we're going to see how he reacts to all of this. Right now it's almost bath time actually, so like we need to hurry it on up and see what's what. So let's serve. Thinking unsure about it already. Huh? Yum 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 yum. Aiden.
never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Kiara. Good job. There's one piece in there.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
That's been rammed. He's rammed. Rammed D.
Yeah, you can't eat broccoli. Here.
I want rammest.
Hi. What's going on? Nani? Guys, we are still at it, still baby food prepping. Currently we are doing the chicken. So we have some chicken boiling on the stove. The recipe said to steam it, but to be honest, I do not have the proper utensils to steam anything, whether the vegetables or whatever. So we're just boiling it, cooking it as is. I have some chicken broth, and I did put a little bit of cumin and mixed herbs just to flavor it a little bit there, because even though, you know, babies, they don't care flavor or no flavor, you still want to add a little pizzazz here and there. So using safe seasonings, like I've seen cumin, cinnamon is another safe one, like thyme, stuff like that, just to give it a little oomph of flavor, since you cannot add salt and sugar and whatever. Who adds sugar to their meat? I don't know. I hope that's not you though. That is what we are doing, and then we will be wrapped up and I'll show you everything that we've done today. It's hustle and bustle right now. Okay, so this is what the chicken is looking like right now in the pot. I'm about to take them out and puree it up. I just tasted it, and trust me, I probably should eat chicken like this because it's yummy.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star.
Alright guys, so I hope you can see what is happening here on this thing. Let me turn up the brightness a little bit so you can see. This is all of our hard work today. All of Aiden's food is prepped. The recipes I followed said that this could last for a month, but honestly, considering Aiden's appetite, it might last well over a month. So I'm going to have to freeze a good portion of these. But let me just show you an overview of what we have here. So in here we have some ground oats, just regular rolled, old-fashioned rolled oats that I ground up, I blended up to turn into oat flour, or as they say, ground oats. I have some steamed carrots here, cut in finger-sized pieces. So this is a baby-led weaning option where you give baby finger foods, like cut in these long strips so they can grab and feed themselves. I have the mango puree right here, which you would have seen. I have one slice of cucumber here, but the rest of the cucumber is here. This one slice could not fit in there, so you know, it's single. I have oatmeal over here that I have prepared, which is going to be handy for breakfast. And I have the applesauce here. This is a good chunk of applesauce, guys. And let's see, over here we have our greens. This is broccoli and spinach, steamed and pureed. This is some strawberries. And this is also baby-led weaning friendly, because you just give baby this and they can suck and I guess gum it and chew it and try to, you know, swallow it and stuff like that. So yep, it is very much acceptable to give your babies strawberries this whole. It does not have to be pureed or cut up if you're trying to like mix and match. And as I said before, I have some cucumbers here. This is going to come in handy for helping soothe his gums when teething. He won't be able to like bite this the same way he can like bite a strawberry or bite the carrot, because these the strawberry is soft and the carrots are steamed. This is more so for teething, so he can, you know, just teeth on it, I guess. And then here we have some chicken puree. So this is just the chicken thighs puree, and then this one that you see with speckles in them is I mix like the chicken puree with some sweet potato and also some carrots, and just put those together and not ground but like mash those together. So in the end, this could actually be like one meal, because if I just give him like 1 cube of this, then he's getting in chicken, which is protein, and he's also getting in his vegetables like the carrot and the sweet potato all in one. So I wouldn't have to mix this with anything else, or if I want to mix it, I could just pair it with like a fruit, you know. So, and that would be an entire meal. So that is what's going on here, and this is some extra chicken going on here. Here we have some sweet potato. We only got 4 cubes of that. Then here we have some pureed carrots, and then over here we have some bananas. The bananas did not look like this when I just pureed it, like mashed it up, but it got brown. Like, if you know why bananas change color, like, let me know down in the comments, because I have no reason why. I have no idea why the banana is now brown. But and this is carrots, and as you can see, it does look a bit textured, so it is not entirely soft and smooth like say the applesauce or the mango puree. It has like little chunks in it, because at the same time, even though I'm giving him purees, I would still like to expose him to various textures of food, so he is not only used to food that are basically water. You know what I mean, like as soft like milk that just easily slides back. I want him to feel the food out around his mouth, and you know, practice chewing and all of that stuff, and you know, get a feel for everything. So that is why the carrots are more of a, it has more gritty texture, might I say. But yeah, that has been a day of baby prep food. I will keep you guys updated in future vlogs as to how long all of this lasts, but to be honest, I am thinking it's going to be well over a month. That is it for today's vlog. I am going to get some dinner in my belly, and relax for the night. So until next time, bye guys.